So, once again, we have the general form. And if we had the standard form, okay, guys? So once again, we have the general form, and if we can get it into standard form, then we're going to be able to tell all sorts of things about it, including the axis of symmetry, which we want to find here. Because we remember that our axis of symmetry is a vertical line that always goes through the x-coordinate of our vertex. And so if we change it to standard form, we'll be able to tell what our vertex is, and then we'd be able to say what our axis of symmetry is as well. Now for this one, we're going to deal with some fractions. First step is you're going to factor out that a value out of the first two. But now when I take a negative 2 out of a positive 5, factoring is like dividing. I'm going to get 5 over 2x. I still have the minus 3 here, and I leave a space. I have to complete the square. What's half of 5 over 2? 5 over 4. And 5 over 4 squared will mean we'll add 5 times 5 is 25, 4 times 4 is 16. We'll add 25 over 16. What have I actually done, though? In that space, this negative 2 comes by and hits that. It's going to be 50 over 16. We've actually subtracted 50 over 16. So in our other space, we're going to have to add 50 over 16. If you wanted to reduce that, that's 25 over 8. So now we've got our equation. And if I change this to 25 over 8, in order to put those together, I would need a common denominator. So I'll make my negative 3 negative 24 over 8. Putting those together, so now that I have changed it to standard form, I can say what my vertex is. My vertex is going to be positive 5 over 4, comma 1/8. So my axis of symmetry will be x equals my x coordinate 5 over 4. Questions you can do for practice on this one are 8 and 10.